before I had that amnesia thing.
Oh?
I remembered your middle name, and I you know.
You don't know my middle name?
You told me.
Stick. Pogo stick girl.
Well, I had these things right here. Hang on. Staples! Got the shirt for a reason. I knew that I had the name on the shirt for a reason.
Oh, I don't know what to do. Do you think we need help?
What?
Do you think we need
Who are
help?
you?
I'm Pogo stick girl.
Hey guys! Just flying around.
Hey, it's Shark Boy.
Oh, hi, how's it going? What's the problem?
He lost his staples and he's
What?
out.
Man, that's like your thing.
My memory's right here, but I can't put it back on.
Yeah, we got staples, you can fix that. Oh, fish. Oh, no, not fish, just shiny. So, you try to go to Staples, find some?
It's too obvious.
I mean, not like it won't work.
Yeah.
Well, I remember vaguely. Yeah, I remember a man who worked at Staples once.
What was his name?
What was his name?
Craig? No, it wasn't Craig, it was Oh, thank God you're here, overly patriotic man.
Well, as you know, I was at the American store today, as I am every day, and I got plenty of things such as some flags, some American flag stickers.
Oh, yeah, thanks. I'm a shark, I don't know
can I
the
have
country.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, and some red, white, and blue staples.
Staples! You needed staples!
Yes.
Put them on the gun.
Okay.
I can't do it, I don't have hands.
Thank God, her boundary was annoying me.
I think I better go.
You're mean.
I think I better go salute the flag now.
Yeah, good call. So, you got your memory back then, huh?
Oh yeah, I just want to see her leave.
Oh, we stapled to the ground.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna go eat some things.
No, say.
No, that's alright. Bye, guys!
Hey, you know what's great is I can stand here and poke you and you can't do anything about it.
I told you.
Nah! Alright. Okay, next is a game called Sound Effects. It's for me and Gavon, and we need 2 more volunteers from the audience.
Can it be the same ones?
No, cannot be the same as you.
Okay.
And let's get some other one. Someone not wearing that shirt.
Jacob. Jacob.
Someone else raise their hand.
Come on, Jacob. Jacob's got his hand up.
Oh, okay. Someone else is raising their hand. No, I can't see.
Right here. That guy.
You. In the back. Yes, the beard.
This guy.
Knock it off! Nope.
We're the comedians here.
Come over and get your microphone. One of you.
Oh, you are? Well, then this should be fine.
Here's your mic.
Nicholas, other side. Other side, Nick.
Yes, the mic.
Nick.
I have the mic.
Nicholas.
Am I
Other
trying?
side.
Hey, person there.
That's the
Quiet.
They work.
Okay, what is
Is this one on?
Wait, Nick. Let's see if Will's is on.
Mine's not working. It's just not real loud.
Did you turn it on?
Just yell. Or loud. Yeah, there you go. Loud.
There it
There you
goes.
go. There. Yes. Okay, so this game, sound effects. Me and Gavon are going to be acting out a scene, and we can't. All the sound effects for everything that we do are going to be made by these guys. Him for me, and him for him. And that's sound effects. So let's get a suggestion of where we are from the audience.
The back cave.
Back cave.
Come on.
Okay, we're back cave. So, sound effects at the back cave. Let's go.
Oh, shine up the Batmobile?
Yeah.
Remember, Marks off. Strong. Marks off. Do it right. Yeah.
Where's that?
We got airbags and hinges on
Are
us.
those bats? I know it's your bat ran them a long time
No,
ago.
it's the hinges. Squawk.
Oh, that makes sense. Let me just check those out here. These hinges are very odd.
Yes.
First they make sounds like bats, and they make.
I don't know. Maybe you should like check in there somewhere. Like maybe there's something stuck. Yeah, see? It's like any Joker. I knew you shouldn't have let that Joker from McDonald's in there.
Yeah.
They just get stuck everywhere.
Get out of here.
Oh, gosh. Man, this Batmobile looks nice.
Yeah, look at my costume on, then I can look really cool.
Yeah. You're wasting time! Gotta get in!
Yes, there's a zipper on it now.
Yes.
I should have installed the bathroom.
Yes. Should work on that.
Okay.
I'll sit in the car. Seats are very nice.
That makes sense too. I'll just pop it in here through the window.
Yes.
I think I missed. I'm not
No,
sure.
I think so too. Aren't you supposed to be driving?
Yeah.
You're in the back seat. I didn't even know the Batmobile had a back seat. When was that installed?
Probably the same time as the zipper.
Oh, okay.
Honk the horn. Maybe hit the blender button. I don't know.
Oh, so it's your turn. This is like a mixture of sounds. Very interesting.
Gotta get that checked.
Yeah.
Let's start the ignition. No, not that one. Keep the ignition. Okay.
The Joker! You've rigged it!
Okay.
I knew it!
Okay.
You should have given our combination to lock.
What?
I saw you.
What did you see me doing?
Give him the lock. See, he's still in here.
I thought we got rid of it. Let's get out of the car.
Or maybe it's just that toy again.
The door's very silent now.
I know, just see, fix those hinges.
We gotta find that Joker. Let's.
You cannot find me!
Is the Joker Swiss now?
I guess so.
Kinsey, I was not able to turn that. You
He's
can never
me.
tell under all that makeup.
Yeah. Very odd.
Yeah.
No makeup.
Full grown man too. It's just,
Full
it's
grown.
just sad.
Gray hair.
Yeah.
Just green.
You cannot find me!
And now he's Chinese. Makeup reminds.
Explosion. Car's broken. Joker's in the back.
Something blew up. He's blowing stuff up now.
Sorry, that was me.
Oh, see?
It appears it's occupied.
Oh. I really have to go.
Let's go find another.
I am always watching you! This works very well, my lord.
Thank you.
Give it back.
Thank you.
Come on.
Come on. Down.
Next game is called Good Cop, Bad Cop with Kinsey, Vicky, and William. Clap, 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 clap. So, Good Cop, Bad Cop. This is a game about two guys who used to serve together on the police force, masters of the Good Cop, Bad Cop interrogation technique. Vicky has a broken household appliance. She calls these guys. What are the odds? They come and fix it. And that's the C. So, let's see, what household appliance did Vicky break?
Toilet.
Toilet. Okay. So,